Welcome back, guys. Whoa, for some reason it felt really weird talking to myself right there. Don't know why. Oh, look at the dog staring at us. But yeah, welcome back, guys. Me and the homie are getting some Cracker Barrel. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but I'm craving breakfast food right now. I need me a nice pair of eggs, bacon, hash browns, maybe some biscuits. You can never go wrong with any of that. He's not a fan of Cracker Barrel. I don't think he wants to go. I asked him, I was like, so where we're going? And I was like, well, he was like, I don't know. I told him Cracker Barrel. Okay. Dude, his bike is loud. Even just like cruising right next to him. We're going left. He's probably dancing a womanizer. I've never seen this boy in red clothes before. I'll tell you this, it's extremely weird seeing him in red because I'm used to seeing him blacked out. Uh-oh, right lane is closed ahead. Right lane is not closed ahead. They lied. And we pay taxes for false signs, bro. Bro. Wanna go around? And just like that, we got the job done, baby. But yeah, we're coming up on Cracker Barrel. Dang, that was a short ride. I don't even know if I'll edit this raw footage. We'll see. But yeah, we're getting Cracker Barrel. It was a close ride. It wasn't too far from us. Everything is close to us now, so. But I'll either catch y'all after we're done eating. Okay, I'll catch y'all after we're done eating, or I might just end the vlog here. Depends on if it's raining or not. We'll see. Oh, dude, I feel like I'm like a stuffed grizzly bear. That brunch was, I guess it was brunch. That brunch was pretty good. Oh, my tummy, I feel so bloated right now. And I'm wearing a leather jacket that hasn't been broken in yet. Yeah, this is a tough ride. That brunch is very good though. I got some hash brown casserole, some eggs, bacon, some French toast, and some biscuits. Biscuits with butter. How?
I was doing that thing, and I hit the white strip, and all my gas was black, and like the whole thing. Oh my god, this shit is
Man, it didn't even pick up two of us. Oh, my tummy. Dude, I've been so stopped up recently, and it's so frustrating because I'll just be sitting here at a red light, and I'm sitting here huffing and puffing away, and I'm not even doing anything. I'm like, just launch the fuck out of that. Oh my god, dude. Was that good? That was a nice car. Why is this so fun? So yeah, guys, that's gonna conclude today's video. My stabilizer kicked in big time right there. Holy crap. But yeah, that's gonna conclude today's video. If you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe, show the support. If you have been showing the support, I really appreciate y'all. Other than that, y'all take care, be safe, ride your ride. I will catch you on the next video. Peace.